Lahat nagsimula sa isang paanyaya. Sa totoong mundo, ang hindi handa ay natatalo. Do you have what it takes to succeed?
Do you have what it takes to succeed? Ang sakit! Nasaan tayo? Ano nangyayari? Hindi ko mapagdaan.
10, 9,
Bakit may countdown? Paano pag nag-zero?
Hoy, biro ba to?
3, 2, 1. Welcome to the success game. The only way out is forward. Prove yourselves or fail.
The only way out is you.
Wake up, future entrepreneurs. In just a few days, you are expected to step into the real world. But are you truly ready? Are you capable of leading, deciding, and surviving? Business is war. And the unprepared do not survive. Welcome to the success game. Your first lesson begins now.
Paano ka magsumbong ito? Business test?
Habit number 20. Confronting your peers no matter how scary.
Your first challenge. Time is money. Organize these tasks from most important to least.
Please my company's financial plans. Post on social media. Answer emails.
Take task first. Financial crisis ang priority. No, answer muna tayo sa email first. Wow, baka drop yan. Big task first, small things.
What he said. Habit number 3. Tackling big tasks first to make it easier at the end.
Keep the safe yourself para lang natin tama lahat.
Habit number 19. Keeping things tidy. A mess complicates things. On top of that, habit number 27. Fidgeting. It's better than standing still.
Congratulations. You've passed your first challenge. Let's hope you do the same at the second. Being an entrepreneur means knowing your gains and your losses. Now, using the provided reports, prepare the financial statements. IS, SEO, SCF, SFP. Good luck.
Wala kayo dyan. Wala na. Pero kailangan nyo na.
That's right. Habit number 14. Asking for help when needed. There's no shame in needing assistance or teamwork.
Tara, tulungan na lang kita. Ako na sa owner's equity.
Ako na sa cash flow. Ako na sa financial decision.
Kaya niyan, binibigyan.
Habit number 21. Looking for positive people. Life is too short to surround yourself in negativity. Find people to support you.
Congratulations once again, class. You have passed your second challenge. You have used your brains to finish. Now you must have a different kind of strength. Great entrepreneurs learn from those before them. Find the hidden lessons.
Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. Bill Gates, that means complaints are opportunities.
Correct.
Innovation distinguished between a leader and a follower. Steve Jobs.
Correct.
Kasi, ang mga great entrepreneur, don't just copy, they innovate. That's helpful. Try ko kaya na-apply sa akin, kung makakalis tayo dito.
Two habits are at display here. Habit number 12. They are continuously learning. And habit number 5. Imitating the masters.
Well done. The wise follow in the footsteps of those who walked before them. But the greatest carve their own path. To move forward, answer correctly. 3 riddles. 3 chances.
Ano na naman to? Mahirap na mahirap.
I drive success, but I know fiscal for what am I? Easy money!
Yeah. Wait, think deeper. Ano ba talaga yung papagalo sa businesses?
Strategy. Vision. Innovation.
Habit number 7. Adding value. Success is not just about money, but about creating something new.
I can make a business grow, but if ignored, I can make people. What am I?
Employees. Marketing. Investor.
Wait, parang ito yung sinabi ng teacher yung dati na something na dapat kailangan tignan.
Budget.
Habit number 4. Networking. A good leader must communicate and discuss with others to find the right solutions.
I am more vulnerable. But once I lost, I can never be fully regained. What am I?
Stocks. Wait lang, may stress na ako.
Wait guys, kumain muna kayo. Mag-break and break out muna kayo.
Okay, trust.
Habit number 24. Meditating. Staying calm under pressure.
I'm impressed. You all made it this far. But don't get too comfortable just yet. There's still one final challenge.
Success has a price. Are you willing to pay for it?
Guys, ayoko na. Gusto ko na umuwi.
Wala tayong choice. Kailangan natin tapusin to.
Habit number 1. Setting daily goals. Entrepreneurs must set clear goals to avoid getting lost. The first step on solving a problem is recognizing it.
15 minutes lang? Ang bilis naman!
Relax. Kung magpapanik tayo, sayang ang oras.
Habit number 13. The 15-minute rule. When time is short, don't panic. Calm down and focus.
Hala, ano yun?
Ano yan? Ano na naman yan?
Anong sagot to? Parang wala namang tamang choice. The first step to solving a problem is recognizing it.
Wait, baka yun yung mismong point. Minsan, ang unang step sa success ay aminin kung may problema talaga. Wait lang, ano?
Nakasulat. Success is not about solving every problem. It's about knowing one's truly matter. Ano naman kaya to?
Congratulations. You have passed the tests. But
Habit number 26, swearing, and number 28, complaining about right stuff. Believe it or not, it can actually help.
Looks like natapos niyo lahat ang challenge ko. I'll keep it short. If you are watching this, then I am dead. A few months na akong may sakit and I wanted to go out with the bang. Ayoko nang iyakan. I made this game to teach you all very important lesson. And since you all are watching this, you all made it. You did disappoint. I can only hope everything I've taught you stay with all hanggang sa paglaki ninyo. For you all to thrive and become successful. Remember, the future is inevitable, but it is controllable. Good luck, class, and thank you, especially to you, Stephanie.
Niloloko mo si Ma? Dahil mismo ni Ma'am, hindi ako makatanggi.
So lahat ng yun para tutunan tayo ng lesson about handling a task, financial responsibility, lahat yun.
Para sa ating improvement yun. Her words, not mine. Looking back, lahat naman tayo na-achieve natin yan, ba?
Hindi na importante yan. At least, lahat tayo nakatapos ng challenges. At marami tayong lessons na natutunan. Di ba?
Teka! Di ba
the game never truly ends. Now prove it in the real world.
Strength and knowledge to be successful. Need mo din ng determination and drive to really make up your mind. And maybe following the steps of a habit can help you. No need, may nakita naman ako. Habit 15. Be generous with your time and money. By the way, bakit nandito ka pa sa work? What a coincidence! Habit number 10 yan. Consulting your mentor. Dapat mag-off ka na later ha. Kamusta na po ang mga kids mo? Oh, habit number 6. Checking in with your staff about more than work to build trust.
Uy, si Stephanie, ayan ah, prioritizing her sleep too much, cake ka.
Hindi ah, Harper pero okay lang. AKA, doing something I love every day.
Ano yun? Habit 22? Doing something you love every day?
Yung list of hobbies na tinuro sa atin ni ma'am, naaalala ko pa yun.
Gosh, ang tagal na, no? Diba?
Speaking of Balangsan, kamusta na kayo?
Ayun, growing my business.
And syempre, napupulfill din yung mga habits ni ma'am, diba? 25 habits ba yun? And reading a lot of food.
Lang ikaw. Ako nga, 2 habit eh. Yung habit 16 and 17. Big deal ba sa akin yun? Siyempre, hindi din ng magandang routine para sa exercise.
Duda sa'yo.
Do.
Wait lang, don't turn for important emails. Ayan din yung habit number 2.
Achieving in box zero.